is more than twice the national average, and an event this Thursday evening will support Christ Hospital's efforts to educate new parents. Clinical nurse educator Charlotte Payne and event chair Robbie Russo are here to tell us about Off the Wall. Good to see you, ladies. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Charlotte, I want to talk to you first about what are some of the factors that contribute to this shocking statistic.
Well, unfortunately, Cincinnati is one of the most dangerous places in the nation to have a baby, and many factors play into infant mortality, but one of the key things that we focus on are teaching parents the ABCs of safe sleep, and that's alone, on their back, in the crib. And when we say alone, we think of things as simple as no blankets in the crib. So using a sleep sack to place your baby to prevent suffocation, things like that, very important. So we do this at the hospital, and then we send the patients home with one of these so that hopefully they continue that behavior once they're at home.
And money from this event will go toward those sleep sacks and those education programs. Breastfeeding is really an important thing that you teach new moms about too, right?
It is. It's one of the factors that's thought to prevent SIDS, help to prevent babies from dying of SIDS. So we focus very strongly on that in the hospital, and then support services for once they go home. Simple things like having a pump available if they're going back to work, and then services to come back if they have any trouble once they're home.
Now, okay, Robbie, tell me about the Off the Wall event. As I mentioned, the money that you raise on Thursday night at this event is going to help new parents learn the safe practices. You call it a lottery style art auction. Explain to me what that is. Yeah.
Well, what we have done is we have petitioned the artists, local artists, and in the Cincinnati area to donate an art piece, and it can be a piece of jewelry, it can be a painting, it can be any medium that they want, sculpture, and we have gotten about 107 different pieces.
That's a lot.
We are putting them on the wall, and then people will, patrons will buy a lottery ticket, and the ticket is $100, and it includes dinner, it includes drinks, and it includes the lottery. And a ticket will be drawn. It'll be like a double ticket. They'll have like number one, and then when their number is called number one, they can pick whatever art piece they want off the wall and take it home.
So at least 107 people are going to get a piece of jewelry or a piece of art to take home.
Yes. Now, some of those will be auctioned. Some of our higher pieces will be auctioned, so it won't be quite 107. There's 107 pieces donated, though.
Well, we're going to put a link on our website, local12.com, so you can learn more about Off the Wall. And of course, Christ Hospital has those great programs to teach parents to take, to help their baby's health and wellness. So thanks so much for sharing those tips for us, Charlotte, and thank you, Robbie. We'll be back in just a moment.